Welcome. How our system works is you just log in and describe what you are looking for.
I'll take it from here, Ty.
Once you click Claim $5, you will show up on this page here to give you the roadmap on how our program works. Let's get into step 1, scanning your website.
Now simply enter your business domain and email address into the fields below to generate your unique AI profile.
All right, thanks for watching the intro. You can sign up now or watch Ty give you a tutorial on this platform.
And yes, this entire video was made using this platform. And that is why we are so excited to not only give you the tools, but we are giving you the opportunity for us to do this work for you through our marketing profile dashboard.
This is how you will be able to submit all of the different type of requests you have for us here, and we will receive them perfectly and update you in 5 minutes or less.
All right, thanks for watching this far. I am about to do a 5-minute tutorial on this software now.
What's up, guys? We're getting after it today and showing you exactly how to build a content engine for any business. We're going to put vaultbots.com, drop in the business email, and let the AI go to work. It's searching the website and pulling every relevant image and detail to build a custom business DNA in seconds. Once that's done, you just review the images, keep the ones you love, and your brand profile is ready to roll. Now we just create an account and start generating. You've got your credits right there, so you can literally just click through and watch the AI pump out high quality branded content instantly. If you look down here, you can see all your references. You can toggle between IG posts or story formats, and the AI adapts the specifics in real time. You can even take these images and animate them straight into video with one click. Once you like what you see, just hit download and you're good to go. The best part is the ecosystem. We've got the Nano Banana Prompt Assistant to help you batch create content around your specific business data. We've even got 11 labs integrated for voice cloning and AI twins. Everything you need from asset management to specialty service requests is right here in the dashboard. If you want to white label this software for your own agency or use it to manage your clients, it's a total game changer. It's built to be fast, automated, and easy. Just keep pressing those buttons, keep creating, and get after it.
I'm sorry this was a terrible tutorial, but I promise if you put your mind to it, you will achieve it. Go.